Hello. Other side's better. It's got benches. Hearing a bird.
Yeah, it's that annoying bird by the park.
Okay, followed us?
Yes.
Does it say on that building down there?
U.S. Airways.
Those people in the high tower got a good view. There's that mountain in the way.
Yeah, look how bright it lights it up. Or, like, you can really see, like, the smoke around the mountain.
Yeah. This looks like a volcano, like flat on top.
Yeah. Looks like that thing from Close Encounters of the Third Kind.
Yeah, he makes out of his potatoes. Snoop's going that way. I wonder if she could hear him at the house.
One, two, three, four.
I hear people yelling. Isn't there usually a lineup of cars like coming in and out? Ooh, what was that?
Somebody's having their own show.
Yeah, what the fuck was that? Is this the finale?
I don't know. There's a lot of them shooting up at once there.
Ooh, homemade one. Just did another one. Those sparkly ones. You should be able to have technology where it like says stuff and spells something out. That's it.